you gotta get me out.
And the sleigh. I'm Jamie, and this is JRC Mechanical. All right, guys, so I got the camera out today, and it was a nice day, and we had a little bit of free time. So I got making a video regarding some of our other content. So I figured I never did give you guys a good video on the final version of the fish ski. And to tell you the truth, we kind of haven't been using it as much. We've all got skidoos now, you know, normal skidoos. So this one it kind of doesn't get ridden as much as it used to, which is unfortunate because it's still fun as hell. And with all the extra snow we got this year, it actually makes it even more fun because these things they're not very fun to ride in 3 inches of snow, and it's too much snow when there's 2 feet of snow. So this year is the perfect year for this. So let's get out there. Let's take this thing for a rip. How's that look? So, it is fun to ride these things fast too, or as fast as you can make them, I guess, eh? You know what? Let's go try find some nice deep snow.
Yeah.
See if we can really get carbon. Yay!
Wow!
Okay. This is its weakness.
Yep. We're stuck.
Oh no, it's stuck.
Let me come give you a hand with that.
Wait.
You need a hand? You are buried. Wow. Oh, Dad. I just sunk
It's crazy
in the
deep.
snow.
Well, here, just
Look
stay
at how
there.
deep it is.
I'll just see if I can't get this out.
Okay.
You can't see. Are you pointing it at me, Hudson?
Yeah?
Okay. You can't see Hudson, but he's literally up to here in snow. Wowzers. Oh!
Hey!
Okay.
Literally.
Hold on, I'll back this down. We can hopefully drive out of it.
Wow! I'm literally stuck. Yeah! Now you gotta get me out.
And the sleigh. Oh, I'm not wearing winter boots. Okay, you just stay there, Hudson.
I got out.
Okay.
I got out. I just fell into Darth Maul's pit. Wow! That's what I was in.
I'm gonna fall right through here again.
Yeah, you are. How about I fall back in? That was terrifying.
I'll just get this up on the snow. I'll walk.
Well, as soon after I said that, I fell back in.
Okay. Okay, go to the machine, Hudson. I got it. Okay, so, like I've said in previous videos, these really aren't very good in deep snow. Now, this is kind of bottomless snow because there's reeds everywhere, but that's a chore. The only benefit is that you can shed half the machine by unhooking it to get yourself out of these situations. And you'll probably notice that it was struggling to get going, and that's actually because of my gearing still. I've still got the gearing from the Skidoo rally in this. So it's actually geared quite high yet, but I can definitely stand to go down probably 3 or 4 teeth again. But okay, let's shut it off there. Okay, go. It's pretty deep. Oh shoot, that was a workout.